Hey guys, and welcome to another item shop. Now here we go, we got Yellow Jacket, plus we have this skin that just came back from season 10. We also got Dark Bomber with its pretty cool back bling, the perfect harvesting tool to go along with it, and the glider, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it does go with the whole thing. Next up is Wildcard that was introduced in season 5. Which again comes with the perfect back bling. Let's not forget about the glider to go along with the skin, and the wrap bundle. And another skin that came out in season 5 right here with its pretty neat back bling. And yes, Payback is back. I think they could have done a little bit better with the back bling, maybe something a little bit more creative, but this is good enough. Last but not least, all the emotes, which does include Shadow Boxer for only 200 V-Bucks. And we also have this emote right here, plus Bouncer, which was introduced in season 9. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.